It's time for a new handle. So I'll go in the shop and I'll whip one up right quick. This one did me real good over the years, but yeah, time to go. I put some glue on these here scrap pieces of wood. Of course, I didn't push the record button when I was doing so. But now I'm going to stick them in the vise here and glue them all up. Something got in my greenhouse and ate my turnips. About that 32-year-old Craftsman bandsaw. I ain't done nothing to it except put blades on it. Oh, and that light, I had to replace that. It's ready. Hold the presses. Let's do something different. I don't like that one at all. Let's try this one. I like the shape of this one much better. Be bigger for my hand to stick in. I just cut it out the same way I did that other one over yonder. This one's much cooler, I think, don't you? Ooh, watch them fingernails. You get it filed down to that first knuckle. It's freezing out here. Hands are shaking. Good grief. Boy, this one-man filming trick ain't working too good on that shot. I cut the top right out of that rascal. I'm gonna have to work on that. Bear with me, I'm old and feeble-minded.